Today's all about mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is one of those recipes that everyone should give a go. It's super easy, very few ingredients, and it just tastes so much better than the shop bought stuff. So in the bowl we've got one egg yolk. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of water. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Now the mustard flavour is up to you. I've just got English mustard, but you can use French, you can use whole grain, it doesn't really matter. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of, in this case, red wine vinegar. Again, you can use white wine vinegar, sherry vinegar, cider vinegar, it's totally up to you. So what we're going to do is whisk all that together and then slowly add in 250 ml of rapeseed oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can even use olive oil, but I'm going to use rapeseed oil. And you want to do it really slowly so it creates an emulsion and an amazing mayonnaise. It's really important that you add it slowly so it doesn't split. So it just emulsifies all in to one smooth mixture. So to that, we're just going to add a little squeeze of lemon juice. I like my mayonnaise a little bit sharp, and a little pinch of salt. So there we have it, some beautiful homemade mayonnaise. It'll last up to 3 days in the fridge. Let me know how you get on making yours in the comments below. Couldn't be simpler and it couldn't be easier.